team are highly trained locksmiths and security technicians. We're ready to answer any call, anytime, 24 hours 7 days a week. We are bonded, licensed and insured. The services that the company offers are automotive and residential services, alarm services, keyless entry systems, automated entry locks, commercial security services, lock repair, gates installation or installation, security safes. Advanced security camera, CCTV installation, night vision camera installation, surveillance system upgrade, safes installation of commercial and residential safes, automotive ignition keys installations, car door unlocking, re-key, all locks, master key systems. Whether you need a vehicle locksmith, a residential locksmith, or any other unlocking or security service, you can rely on our team of certified professionals to be reliable, efficient and able to handle any locksmithing job or lookout situation in a timely manner.